Okay, so what I have behind me here is our stacker loading conveyor that can be used for stacking windrows, stacking piles, and also to load trucks. We have different options. We've got sand hoppers, we've got different drive systems. We've got a 380 volt, we got a petrol one, we got one that runs from the auxiliary hydraulics from the tractor. The belt is fully mobile. It's got a hydraulic cylinder where you can adjust the angle. You can hook it behind the bucky, you can hook it behind the tractor and move it around anywhere on the farm. What we're doing behind me here is we do windrow stacking, so also known as static, semi-static piles. So what we do is we're turning the windrow, getting air in to get the microbes oxygenated and get the aerobic microbes doing their work. So the reason why we're using the semi-static system is it's in the first place you don't have to turn it as often because you get more natural oxygen through the pile. The other reason is it's a cheaper way to do it, the fact that you don't have to. So the biology that we're getting in a semi-static pile is much more diverse because you don't have that aggressive turning and you get much more natural oxygen through it. So you don't break up the fungi strains with the intensive turning of a drum turner. This conveyor will turn up to 2,500 cubes a day if your operator can keep up.